Sup PTQ, Bates and my dad are here today, and today we're going to be opening up our first ever GX Tag Team.
Yep, well, 10. Yeah. We don't know what's in here, but we're going to find out.
Stand by for
BT2.
coming next.
What we got? Show everyone on the camera.
Evolutions!
Show them what we got on there.
We got Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows, and Evolutions.
Dang, no tag team?
Isn't that the whole point of GX Tag Team?
Yep.
Let me just sizzle it real quick.
Real good chance.
Oops. 1, 2, 4. Oh, yes. Energy. Oh. Pew Kumik Croak.
Right there.
Rainbow Energy. Stuffle. Eevee. Bro, who draws Eevee like this?
Nobody can see. Right there.
Dupiter.
Yep.
Poliwag. Oh, shoot.
Watch out. Oranguru. Uh-oh. What did you open up? Just Sun and Moon?
Yeah.
Oh, a gumshoes. How do you say it?
Gumshoes.
Gumshoes?
Gum inside your shoe.
Dude, that's a hit, man.
X. I know, right?
First pack hit.
And it's a shiny.
GX card, dude. First pack hit, dude.
Yeah, dude. Let's go, dude. Hey, keep this here for good luck.
Okay, move that out of the way.
Oh,
Alright, got Crimson Invasion, guys.
that looks like Common Rider on the front part of it.
Let's see what we got. Hunter.
That's what I say. It's look.
Zerless. Bumblebee. Chincho.
Null.
Starly.
Skittle. Salazzle.
Salazzle.
And Gorgeous. Okay, can I go last and you do your Burning Shadows for this Evolutions?
Alright.
Let me sizzle it real quick.
I'm gonna open up Burning Shadows.
Wait, let me sizzle it real quick. Explain why you have this face. Lunatone, Gloom, Riolu, Cutie Fly, Tynamo, Dusk,
Come on. Come on.
Okay, guys, it's time for Evolutions.
Did you just see it?
No, I just pulled the one from the back and hit it with this one. Oh yeah, a choke, Potion, Ghastly, Sandshrew, Weedle, Tangela, Ponyta.
Oh yeah, reverse hollow energy. Yeah.
Okay, I'm guessing this is a Beedrill.
Yep.
Get out of here, Beedrill. Check out this fire energy. I actually thought it was the Charizard when I saw this.
Oh my gosh. Well.
See, can you see that energy?
No,
The reverse
we're
hollow.
not sleeping up energy. Well, what do you think about the 10, dude?
There were some pretty good pulls.
Here's a hit.
When I mean pulls, I mean one.
This is Beatty's hits first pack. Gumshoes GX.
Yeah, I got the gum inside your shoes, guys.
Look at this Zekrom though, man. This thing is fire.
I'm gonna keep this.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year's, guys.
New Year's.
Stay safe and let's get our subscriber up. Also, add us on social media on Instagram at BT2 and TikTok at BT2 as well. Thank you guys.
Bye.